In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer funds from Metamask to Bybit. First, you need to ensure that you have access to both your Metamask wallet and your Bybit account. It's important to have both platforms up and ready to go so that the process is as smooth as possible. Start by logging into your Metamask wallet. Once you're in, take a moment to identify the cryptocurrency you're planning to transfer. This will be crucial for the next steps. Now, switch over to your Bybit account. You'll need to find the deposit address for the same cryptocurrency you've chosen in Metamask. In Bybit, navigate to your Assets or Wallet section. From here, select Deposit, and then choose the corresponding cryptocurrency. You will see a string of letters and numbers. This is your deposit address. It's like the address to your house, but for your crypto. Copy this address carefully. Double-check it to make sure it's accurate. A small mistake here can result in your funds being sent to the wrong address, which is something we definitely want to avoid. Now, transfer your attention back to Metamask. Once there, you'll want to click on the Send button. This will open up a new screen where you'll paste the Bybit deposit address you just copied. Make sure it's been pasted correctly by checking the first and last few characters. It should match what you have in Bybit. Next, specify the amount you wish to transfer. Keep in mind that there might be a small gas fee due to the nature of blockchain transactions. This fee will be deducted from your Metamask wallet, so make sure you have enough Ethereum or the relevant token to cover it. After entering the amount, review both the amount and address one last time. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Next. Metamask will prompt you with a confirmation screen. Here, you will see the estimated gas fee and total amount being transferred. If everything checks out, confirm and authorize the transaction. Now, we wait. Blockchain transactions can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes, depending on network congestion and efficiency. Eventually, you should see the transfer record in both your Metamask and Bybit transaction history. It's always a good idea to keep an eye on your Bybit wallet to ensure the funds arrive safely. And there you have it, transferring from Metamask to Bybit simplified. This process marries the world of decentralized and centralized finance seamlessly. Remember, attention to detail is key to preventing errors during any crypto transaction. If you follow these steps, you'll be transferring your digital assets with confidence in no time. Don't hesitate to reach out in the comments if you find yourself needing further clarification. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!